Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to log into another Facebook account on the same device. If you're already logged into one account but want to access another, no worries. You can add multiple Facebook accounts to your device and switch between them easily. This process works for both iOS and Android devices, so follow along and let's get started. First, open the Facebook mobile app. As you can see, I'm already logged into my Facebook account. Now I want to switch to my other account. To do this, tap on the three horizontal lines, or your profile picture, in the top right corner of the screen. This will open your menu options. Click on the down arrow, and you'll see a list of different accounts that are saved on the device. If you've already added another account, it will appear here, and you can simply tap on it to log in. But if you want to add a new account, just tap Log into another account. Now, enter your email address and password for the other account you want to use, and you'll be logged in. You can repeat this process for as many Facebook accounts as you want, and easily switch between them whenever you need to. And that's how you can log into and manage multiple Facebook accounts on the same device. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.